Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open each folder in a new window on Windows 11 PC. By default, when you double click on a folder within a folder, it opens in same window. In case you want to open it in a new window, there are two methods. First one is through right click context menu. For that, select any folder within the folder and choose this one option, open in a new window. This will open in a separate window. However, if you want to open each folder in its own window, you need to change one settings. For that, click on this one start button and type folder options. In the search results, click on this one file explorer options. In File Explorer options window, you need to switch to this one general tab, and here you will see this one option, open each folder in its own window. Select this one option, then click on this one apply button and then OK button. Now whenever you will double click on a folder within a folder, it will automatically open in a new window, as you can see on my screen.